What are some exciting projects for you that you could share?
So right now, I'm trying to get the website back up and running smoothly. So that's a big project because I made all these hats, Make Whiskey Great Again,
Yeah, I
like
see
five
it.
years ago, and I've
Very
sold
cool.
thousands, and I never did it through a shop. It was all through like DMs. So now I'm going to have the shop up and running. I took an equity position in a company called Rare Pours, US based, and we're going to do whiskey auction.
Okay.
I'm looking to do my own whiskey. We just raised money.
Oh, really?
And my whiskey is going to be for cocktails. It's not going to be for sipping. So that's keeping me pretty busy, to be honest. And then the whole Instagram thing, like I love it. I love having fun. I mean, I tell people, they're like, how did you get so many followers? I'm like, I do it every day. Like if you want to be good at anything, you got to do your repetitions. You got to practice.
Yeah.
You got to keep doing it every single day. It's not just, and I'm loving my podcast. Like I'm bringing on these truly passionate whiskey people who are just like, they've been around so much, and I'm humbled that they take the time to talk to me and just like tell me everything that they've seen in their lives. So I'm enjoying it. Busy.
Exactly. That's the way to do it. If you are passionate about something and you do it,
100%.
repeat it, that's how you build trust. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section and see you in the next one.